In this video, I want to talk a little bit about C16 and up, those very high molecular weight alkane. So alkane with more than 16 carbon atoms are most often used as lubricating and heating oil. These are sometimes called mineral oils because they come from petroleum, which was once considered a mineral. So, as a quick summary, we had C1 and C2, which are classified as LNG or liquefied natural gas. Then we have C3 and C4, which are classified as LPG. Then we have C5, C6, C7, C8, so C5 to C8, which belong to gasoline, and we talked about the octane number. After that, we have C9 to C16, which we have kerosene, jet fuel and diesel fuel in this category. And at the end, we have C16 and up, that belongs to paraffins, lubricating and heating oil. And as we mentioned earlier, those are sometimes called mineral oils.